Imagine a time when there were no cities, no kings, no borders, a time when survival was the only law and fire was the greatest discovery. This is the story of our ancestors, early human, how they struggled, how they adapted, and how, step by step, they began the journey from simple hunters to the builders of civilization. Welcome to World History. The first humans. Hundreds of thousands of years ago, on the plains of Africa, the first humans walked the earth. They were not kings, not rulers, just survivors, with stone tools in their hands and endless courage in their hearts. They faced a world full of danger. Every day was a question: will we find food? Will we live another night? Yet, with each passing generation, humans learned. They became stronger, smarter, and different from every other creature. Fire and survival. One discovery changed everything: fire. Imagine the first spark, the first flame. For early humans, fire was warmth in the cold, protection in the dark, and power over beasts much stronger than them. Around the fire, humans found something even greater: of community. They shared food, stories, and knowledge, and so a spark of civilization was lit. From hunters to farmers. For tens of thousands of years, humans wandered as hunters and gatherers, following animals, moving with the seasons. But then came a turning point: the Neolithic Revolution. Humans learned to grow crops and tame animals. No longer slaves to the wild, they began to settle. Villages rose, harvests grew, and for the first time, the idea of home was born. The birth of civilization. From villages came towns, from towns, cities, the Tigris and Euphrates, the Nile, the Indus, and the Yellow River. These river valleys became the cradle of civilization. People built walls, temples, and markets. They discovered writing, laws, and trade. Humanity was no longer just surviving, it was creating. And with creation came the first sparks of history itself. The story of early humans is the story of us all, from fire to farming, from wandering tribes to mighty cities. But this is only the beginning. In our next episode, we will dive deeper into the rise of the first great civilizations: Mesopotamia, Egypt, and the Indus Valley. How did they shape the world we live in today? Stay with us, because history has just begun.